How do you change careers? It can be tough to make a change in your career. I'm doing that right now. And in this video, I want to show you how to change careers with 3 steps to guide you. Look, I love my career as a minister, but the time came for a change. I know there are those who hate their jobs. For me, I was determined to find something that I loved and make a change. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that I took to make a successful career change. So whether you're stuck, maybe in a dead-end job, or just want something new, stay tuned because this one is for you. Be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to let me know you want more of this content and you like this content. So first, let me suggest try reaching out to professionals in the career of your choice or gaining experience in that career through part-time work or volunteer opportunities. Go on LinkedIn and ask people. Go on YouTube and ask. Call people in the field you know, or even strangers, and offer to buy them a cup of coffee and ask. Get moving and research. Number 2, preparing a well thought out plan is a great way to help yourself and keep yourself accountable and motivated on your career mission. In fact, a plan can help you clarify and clearly identify what skills and experiences you need to achieve success in the new career that you're considering. For example, if you want to transition into, a career in real estate, like I'm doing, take some time to research what qualifications are expected of such agents and make sure you meet their criteria for success. Finally, the third one, don't forget the importance of surrounding yourself with people who will lift you up and provide wisdom from their experience, whether from those who have changed career paths themselves or from someone currently working within the same career field as yours. All these tips will help make it possible for you to improve professionally and get closer to achieving career goals. If you have any questions about my career change or what it's been like, or have a similar story, or maybe you have another helpful step that worked for you or somebody you know, share that in the comments and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Now go after it. Enhance your life, enhance your home, and enhance our world.